Shotgun beer, these motherfuckers.
It's got discount Pac-Man on it.
Hi, I'm Bonez.
I'm Schwepps.
I'm Trvp Jesxs.
And this is Shotgun Beer Reviews.
Today we have something from Tallgrass.
I never heard of Tallgrass, but we're in the
called-
Tallgrass, foggy grass.
It's called 8-Bit Pale Ale. And,
It's from Manhattan, Kansas.
Manhattan, Kansas. They made that shit up.
Yeah,
That's
they
not a
for
real
real
place.
did. Apparently it's hop rocketed. Now what that means is because I was wondering if you were. First thing with complex flavors, 8-Bit is channeled through the hop rocket, a stainless steel vessel packed full of hops. So it's kind of like a...
It's a hop dick.
Yeah, it's like a dildo full of hops that they like stir the beer with.
Tasty.
Yeah. I don't know. Oh, it's a 5.2.
It's got like a shitty knockoff Pac-Man on it.
Yeah.
Discount Pac-Man.
Discount
Pac-Man.
Other than that, I've never heard of them. It was recommended that we try. I'll trade you in a second. Sort that out. Yeah, I guess I'll take it now. In case you couldn't tell, it's January.
Michigan's a very confusing place.
It's 50 degrees right now.
Oh.
Foggy as fuck. Oh, did the hop fall out?
Yeah. Just pick that back up. I'm just kidding, picking that up. But yeah, that's what it is.
This is actually the first time I've ever heard of Tallgrass.
Yeah.
I've never seen it before. So, Rob Helford.
Shout out Rob Helford.
Rob Helford, as always,
Um,
gave us this gem
recommendation.
from fucking Manhattan, Kansas.
Manhattan, Kansas.
Boasting. Alright, well, here's for beers. That's very hoppy.
It tastes like oranges. You guys getting oranges?
I was gonna say lemon.
Tastes like Pac-Man's asshole.
Definitely citrusy as fuck. Maybe Pac-Man's asshole.
Yeah.
Probably Pac-Man's
If I
asshole.
had to guess, it probably tastes like oranges, right?
Yeah. I mean, he is like
Disinfectant spray.
Pretty solid.
all in all, it's got a really weird citrusy
Thing.
Yeah, it's
It
like
tastes like orange juice after you brush your teeth.
yeah,
That's
for real.
That's pretty good, though.
It tastes like orange juice after you brush your teeth.
It is very orange.
Mm-hmm. I guess that's those hop rockets.
Yeah, I mean that'll do it, I guess.
Yeah. I kind of want to go to Manhattan, Kansas.
See what it's
I
all
would just,
about.
yeah,
it's
like
about.
to see what that would look like.
Fuck is in Kansas.
They got skyscrapers and cornfields,
Cornfields, cows and shit in the streets.
cows and businessmen. It's a fucking mess.
It's a crazy world we live in.
It's 2017.
Yeah. Welcome to the future.
Welcome to the future.
My name's Bonez,
My name's Schwepps.
And I'm Trvp Jesxs.
and thanks for watching. There's a button.
Yeah, it's over there.
What?
Subscribe or something.
Oh.
Yeah, that's
Bye.
it's art. It's art. Take it in. This is fucking art.
Foggy, Michigan, beautiful
Right.
weather.
It's fucking art.
I didn't know there were cigarettes in there.
Manhattan, Kansas. What the fuck?